Hello my dear students, today we are going to take chapter 2 lesson 74 comparing unit fractions. Okay, here you can use fraction strips to compare fractions. Okay, these are the shape of the fraction strips. Okay, the whole one, the halves, it cut into 2 parts, third it's cut into 3 parts, fourth it's cut into 4 parts, fifth it's cut into 5 parts, sixth it's cut into 6 parts, eighth it's cut into 8 parts, 10th it's cut into 10 parts, 12th it's cut into 12 parts. Okay, now in the next page we can see here the fraction strips is broken. Okay, if we are going to take half and third, which is bigger from the picture? Which part is bigger, the half or the third? Of course it will be the half. Okay, now compare between the fractions. We have third and fifth. Which is bigger, third or fifth? In the picture of the fraction strip, the third is bigger than fifth, so we are going to make third bigger than fifth. Okay, now in the next page we have half and quarter. What do you think, which is bigger, half or quarter? Of course it's half. Okay, can you notice that here both of them have the same numerator? Both of them have the same numerator. When we have the same numerator, okay, the fraction is called, we can call it as a crazy fraction. Okay, crazy fraction means that we are going to make vice versa. Okay, the big number will be small number and the small number will be big number. So here 2 is going to be bigger than 4. It's called crazy fraction. Okay, yeah, okay, it's not normal fraction. How can we know the crazy fraction? By same numerator. If we have same numerator, it's called crazy fraction. Okay, and if you forget how to do that, draw the fraction strip and you can solve it. Okay, now compare between the two fractions. We have third and half. Which is bigger? Of course it will be half. Number 2, we have quarter and tenth. From the drawing, which is bigger, the quarter or the tenth? It will be the quarter. Excellent. Number 3, we have these two. Here we have 8 and 6. Okay, 8 and 6. So 6 is bigger than 8. Okay. Number 4, we have 8 and 4th. Which is bigger? Of course it will be 4th. Okay. Now in the next page, book page 48. We have, look at the students' work below, identify what they did correctly and what they did wrong, then solve the problems on your own. Sketch a rectangle, divide the rectangle into 4 equal parts, label each part. Here we have a rectangle is divided into 4 equal parts, but in each part they wrote 4/4. What did the student do right? What did the student do wrong? Why do you think the student made the error? Number 1, the student divided the rectangle into 4 equal parts. That's the right one. Okay. Each part is 4/4. It's a wrong thing. Okay. In the next, in the second part, solve the problem on your own. Explain your thinking. Each part is 1/4, not 4/4. The correct part is we are going to write each part 1/4. Okay. Now in the next page, book page 49, we have 6 circles. Okay, the first one is whole 1, the second is half, then 3/3, then 4/4, then 6/6, then 8/8. Okay, now book page 51. Apply part 2, direction, solve the problem below. Use your fraction models to help you compare each fraction. Okay, number 1, we have half and 6. if you want to compare, look at the numerators. If they are the same, we are going to make it crazy fraction. What is the mean of crazy fraction? The big number is the smaller number, okay? So here we have half and 6. So half is bigger than 6. In number 2, we have 6 and third. Which is bigger? It will be third, okay? Number 3, we have 1 whole and a fourth. Remember that the fraction is apart from the 1. So I'm going to compare between all of the 1 and the part from the 1. Which is bigger? Of course, it will be the whole 1, okay? Number 4, we have third and eighth. So third is bigger than eighth. Number 5, we have third and third. So it will be equal. Number 6, eighth and sixth. Eighth is smaller than 6, okay? Number 7, fourth and half. Fourth is smaller than half. Number 8, half and third, so half is bigger than or greater than third, okay? We have finished our lesson. Thank you for listening and see you next time.